best honey garlic buffalo wings you'll ever taste. Let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients for today's recipe. Let's go ahead and do roll call. About 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken wings, 3/4 cups of honey, have a cup of Frank's Red hot sauce. Make sure you get the hot sauce, not the buffalo sauce, or you can use Texas Pete or whatever, or Louisiana, whichever one you want. 1 tablespoon of W sauce, 1 tablespoon of corn starch, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, teaspoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt. And here I have 1/2 teaspoon of Frank's original seasoned blend. So this stuff right here, guys, this is good, man, I'm telling you. So these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and continue. Now we're gonna start seasoning our chicken. So I'm gonna start with our garlic powder here, our seasoned salt, our Frank's seasoned blend, and our baking powder. And all we're gonna do is just get that mixed up here. All right, so that's what we have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and sit this aside while our fryer is heating up. You can also put these in the oven and bake them at 400 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes, whatever your desired doneness is. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, so while our fryer is heating up, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our honey garlic buffalo sauce. So we're gonna turn our cooktop on and we're gonna immediately start adding our hot sauce. And guys, you can easily cut this in half. This is gonna be a lot of sauce for about 1 pound to 2 pounds of wings, but I'm cooking some extra because I like this particular sauce, so I'm gonna store me some. All right, then we're gonna add our honey, our brown sugar, and our W sauce. And we're just gonna get this mixed together. Now we're gonna come behind this with our corn starch, but we're gonna kind of get this up to temperature before we add it. All right, so now that it's coming to a slight simmer, you don't really want it to get up to too much of a boil. I'm gonna go behind that with my corn starch now. And I'm gonna get this mixed in. And what we wanna do is we wanna see this start to thicken. All right, guys, so it looks like we are there in terms of the thickness that we want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn off our heat, and I'm just gonna transfer this over to a empty dish, and we're going to let this sit on the counter until our wings are done. It's not gonna take long, so it's still gonna be warm and hot when we pour it, all right? All right, so it looks like our oil is up to temperature, so I'm gonna start putting these wings in the basket. And guys, we have this up at 350. We're gonna cook them for about 7 to 10 minutes. But you guys know what happens when they start floating to the top. You know they're done. I don't have to tell you that every time we put these wings in this hot grease. All right, so let's go ahead and drop them in here. All right, guys, we are there. Take a look at these babies here, man. Oh, man. All right, so we're gonna transfer these over to our bowl, over on our cutting board, so we can go ahead and get them sauced up so we go to the final presentation and quality control. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take our honey garlic buffalo sauce and I'm just gonna pour it over our wings like that. But I don't need all of it, so I'm just gonna get them mixed up like this. And look at that fiery red right there. That's what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these over in a plate, and we're gonna head into our final presentation and quality control. And there you have it, guys. Honey garlic buffalo wings. So you already know. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let's get the conversation started there. Also, the measurements and the ingredients are all in the video description below, guys. So let's go ahead over to quality control so we can test these babies out. All right, I'll see you there. All right, so we are here for quality control. We got our garlic buffalo wings right there, guys. Take a look at that. Oh, yes, 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 yes. So I'm not gonna waste no time. You guys know I love me some wings because I am the wing king. Let's go ahead and bite into these, baby. Saucy too. Oh man, mesh it like I like them. Let's go in on another one. Guys, don't leave out the baking powder. That's what gets these babies extra crispy. Honey garlic buffalo, I have to say, is one of my favorite flavors. I used to sell this one in my restaurant. When I have a restaurant, people used to love it. It's surprising that I hadn't even made this before. I don't think I ever made it. But, so guys, until the end, I gotta get back to this bowl because it got some good groceries in it. I'm your cook, Spinelli, and y'all already know this is all wings everything. And I ain't no chef, I just cook a lot. And I am out. Peace.